Hello, today I will introduce you to the KnowItAll software and database platform. KnowItAll helps you turn spectra into answers. It brings together intelligent software tools and combines them with Wiley's trusted spectral databases into one seamless environment so it can help you identify, analyze, and manage your analytical data faster and with greater confidence. Let's walk through that spectral interface right now. So the toolboxes that are available in KnowItAll are down the side. We have a data tab, basics tab. The basics tab, we'll find here chem window. This allows you structure and reaction drawing. You can customize reports. Under the data tab, we have automated multiple component analysis searching. We have advanced searching, database building. You can optimize, customize properties that are important to your lab. There's also a QC expert comparison, pass-fail. Under the spectral processing tab, the applications change depending on what type of spectrum you bring in. Here's an NMR, and so here's the different processing tools that are available. If I brought in an IR spectrum, these processing tools will change. We have GC and LC mass spec experts. These automatically process, deconvolute, and analyze GC mass spec or LC mass spec data. We have a spectral analysis tab, and under here we have Analyze It. Analyze It is a functional group analysis tool. You can bring in an infrared or a Raman spectrum, click on a peak, the software will suggest the functional group that absorbs there, and then you can it will help you determine then what class of compounds you're dealing with in this spectrum. Trend Finder is a tool that allows you, PCA tool, enables you to see hidden patterns in large data sets, whether that be spectroscopic or chromatographic. Predicted NMR is a tool, of course, that aids with NMR chemical shift prediction. There's a quantitation tool as well for IR, Raman, and other spectroscopic techniques. One important feature in KnowItAll is you can transfer between different applications. If I start here in Chem Window with a structure, I can transfer this either to search it and do an infrared search, or maybe I send it over to predicted NMR, and now I can do my chemical shift predictions. So the flexibility and combining spectral reference databases, KnowItAll has over 9.5 million spectra in our collections, and the combinations of this flexible software and large spectral collections really can help you in your daily work more quickly and more fully identify an unknown compound. Thank you for your time today.